Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, so I'm at the supermarket trying to pick up stuff for my quarantine chili, and they're out of everything. And I'm like, I can't even do a recipe anymore. I gotta walk into the store and figure out what they got, then buy it and figure out what I'm making on the show. It's gotten so bad. All the beans were gone. I was lucky to grab some beans. So many ingredients were needed for this chili. You could switch out things if you want, get rid of things you don't like in this recipe. That's what's great about chili, is because you can make it any way you want. So hang in there. We're going to make some quarantine chili, give you some meals for the kids for the next few days. Are you guys ready? All right, come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. All right, so the star of the show is my leftover smoked pulled pork and my smoked beer Brats sausages. We're gonna put those in the mix. Got some bell peppers, got crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, tomato puree, got some chili powder, got some chipotle powder, got some cumin, got some garlic and onion salt, got some turmeric. This has no flavor. You're not even gonna taste it in the chili. I'm throwing it in there because we're trying to get a lot more turmeric in our diet, because there's a lot of good health benefits from turmeric. I don't know if I said bell peppers, but I'm saying it again. Basil, cilantro, got some black beans and pinto beans, chipotles and adobo sauce, more black, oh no, that's kidney beans, that's black beans, onion, oh my gosh, Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper, and I think that's it. Wow, so many ingredients in this. All right, here comes the fun part. You guys ready? First thing we're gonna do is put in all our tomatoes. Here we go with diced tomatoes. Tomato puree. I'm not gonna put the whole thing in. Here's crushed pinto beans. Cilantro. Smoked pulled pork. Bell peppers. Chopped up onions. Pinto beans. Black beans. I got all the chipotles and adobo sauce. We're not going to use it all. We just use a little bit because it's very high. Here's my sausages. Now it's time for seasoning. You guys ready? A little onion salt. Whoops, it came out a little fast. Sorry about that. I'm okay if the garlic does that. A little garlic salt. I'm sorry, not salt. Onion powder and garlic powder. That's what I put in. A little basil. A little chili powder. A little cumin. A little chipotle chili. The chipotle seasoning. Now, this is the first time in my life I've added turmeric to any dish. A little bit of turmeric. You probably won't taste it. A little Worcestershire. A little salt. Not a lot, because you got the pork, which is salty, and the sausage. A little pepper. All right, give everything a good mix. Oh my goodness. If you could smell what I smell right now, it smells great. All right, got the lid on, the pressure cooker lid. So we're gonna set this to cook for 20 minutes and then dinner will be ready. Okay, you guys are probably tired of me saying this, but I'm gonna say it every time that I use the Instant Pot or the Ninja Foodie. When you open the valve on a pressure cooker, any pressure cooker, use a glove because the steam will burn you, okay? So you're gonna open, oops. And another thing I'm gonna say every time I'm using my pressure cookers is to lift the lid up and let the water drip back into the food, okay? Happens every time. Here we go. And there'll be water. There it is. Let it drip back in. Shake it out. Set it somewhere safe. Now you can cook this down if you want. I like it like this. I'm okay with this. It's got a lot of ingredients. As you mix it around, it thickens up. Those ingredients start to take over. Look at that. Look at those pieces of meat. Okay, I put a little bit in the bowl here. You can see. There it is. It looks really good. A lot of chunky pieces. Just get a little bit of sour cream in there. Just for tasting purposes. A little bit of cheese. Mix it all up. There you go. Look at that piece of meat. Got all the sour cream smushed in there and the cheese is all melty. You guys ready for this? Here we go. The smoked pulled pork fell apart in my mouth. Just melted. Unbelievable. Sorry. I'm not going to sit here and eat anymore. My bad. I got carried away. This is really, really good. So I got to tell you, this is great comfort food. Great for the kids. Easy to make. Throw all the stuff in your pressure cooker. 20 minutes. Listen, I know the kids are getting on your nerves. If you have children, make them a part of the process. Let them help pick out your ingredients, chop up your ingredients if they can, if they're old enough. Whatever they can do, make them a part of that process. It's really important. I promise you, if you use the kids to help you in the kitchen, it won't be a chore to watch the kids. They get so excited. They get so much from it, all right? I love you guys. Stay home. Be safe. We're going through it all together, all right? You take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.